and I upload new video every week. And when I play this video, I'm just able to hack. When it comes to physically, right there.
Physically, yep. You got issues.
So without the wonderful so high, I wouldn't be able to do
Echo Show 5, is that what it is?
Mhm.
Echo Show 5.
I wouldn't be able to do half the things that I have been able to do within the week and a half of having this thing. Now, I did have an echo. Do you remember what noise?
No, I don't. This is the old Echo
Yeah.
here without the screen, that
Yeah.
cylinder. Yep.
And I was able to turn on my mic with it before, but I'm gonna show you some pretty neat abilities that Echo provide.
Yeah, because before it could do the lights and
Yeah.
it could answer questions and stuff and weather and what else, like phone calls and stuff? Okay.
But it can't, so it can read everything off to you, but it couldn't show you like a
Good.
to-do or a
Calendar.
So I had the whiteboard calendar here
Yep.
that somebody else would have to write on for me if I needed it to be bettable. But with the Echo so high, I could say, computer, open my calendar.
Your next 4 events are
Cool, huh?
Computer, add an event. Tomorrow, 9 a.m. Annoy Dad.
Don't forget to annoy me.
And
And then it puts it right on there, top. Annoy Dad. Now she won't forget.
now
Like
I
you ever
can
would.
see on my calendar email, and it has the ability to what you find that when it lines up with your phone.
Oh, sync?
Hey,
Sync with your phone?
or iPad
Oh, it syncs to your calendar.
or
Sweet.
later calendar
Of course it
that I
does,
have,
yeah.
or compatible with my calendar.
Yeah, that's
calendar.
pretty sweet.
Another awesome feature I have is computer. Open my to-do. I'm doing
Alexa
it
Video,
right
which we're doing it
now.
right now.
So,
And you could turn the volume up a little bit on that so that they can hear it.
computer, volume up. Computer, volume up. And
There we go.
maybe you have a map or a student or anything really, and you can hack it all by hiding your machine.
Cool.
So I like that it allows me to plan my day without the help of writing on calendar or in planner. Me when I work with people and stuff like that. Another cool feature that this Apple Pie can do for me is computer, turn off TV room. Computer, turn off tape 1. Computer, turn on TV room. Computer, turn on tape 1. And you might be wondering how the dad is playing the
Yeah, the smart plug. So the way Anna did that is there's a little thing, a little smart plug, that little white box there that the lamp is plugged into, and then we have a couple others underneath the aquariums plugging into a power strip. And so those wirelessly connect to the Echo Show, and then in the Alexa app. So you use the Alexa app to connect those up so that when she tells Alexa to shut down that lamp, the app connects it to the smart plug wirelessly, and executes the commands. So pretty sweet.
And I like because you can rename the hot plug, whatever name you would like. Maybe you have a word that is hard for you to say. My dad will tell you sometimes devices don't pick up what I'm saying.
Right. So you picked words that worked.
Yep.
That it could understand.
Right.
That's awesome. Yeah, and you rename the plug that, right?
Yep.
So cool.
And you can also do that in my time if I annoy you. No.
Don't forget to annoy. Oh, it just went off. Reminding her to annoy me.
But you can also you can sing the wake command too.
The wake. Yeah, wake up, like wake up.
Yeah, the computer, Alexa, Echo.
Okay.
Yeah, so depending on what you can say and what you can't.
Oh, okay. You can change the words you're saying
Yeah.
so that it can understand you.
Right.
That's pretty important. Yeah, if you have any kind of speech issues, that's a
Yeah.
big one.
Another thing I like about this, and I talked about this before, so I'm not in a very depth, but it can do phone calls.
Phone calls. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. So you can say, how do you want to just demonstrate that?
computer, dial dad.
Calling Dad's mobile from Anna.
Come on. Where is it? Cool.
Computer, hang up.
And that's a lifesaver for, if Anna's in bed at night and needs help, or she's stuck in the covers, or gonna fall off the bed, or whatever. She just talks to her speaker near her, and it calls, which has just been so helpful.
Yeah, it's a hub for my after that. It's also double a hub for all other smart devices.
Yeah.
So you don't need to run a million different devices.
So the Echo Show is the hub for everything. Yeah.
And then also one other thing I made about I have been an impairment that could make it really hard to read books with small print. And wouldn't you say my medium print that I need?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like processing wise, it's hard for you to pull together too many words if they're small.
Right.
Yeah.
So we bought a Audible.
Audible, yeah.
And I think that's $9.99?
I can't remember what it was.
We can't remember. But the Echo can also play Audible. So I can listen to it while I work. Computer, open Audible.
It's Mom. Stream the Fellowship of the Ring. The first part of J.R.R. Tolkien.
The Fellowship of the Ring.
Computer, no more.
Yeah, so you'd sit there and do whatever you want, and it would just read the book to you?
Yeah. And that with music too. You have a music
Service, yeah.
And you can also watch YouTube on here. I don't.
Oh, on the show? Yeah.
But I hope this video will help about how I set up my smart home. If you want, make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you're new, because I do have an Apple Fitness video coming out.
A fitness video?
Yeah.
Apple Fitness. Oh.
Review and Apple Fitness. And I will link my product down below, because I have had some pretty bad knockoff ones that were really hard to set up.
Oh, really? Knockoff cheapies and yeah.
Yep. So I had to return those.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And this one's called, I think the brand is Casa, you told
Yeah.
me? K-A-S-A, Casa.
Yeah. I will link them down below, as well as a